components to support B. Input and output. C. Hardware and the software. D. Data and information. The answer will be C. Hardware and the software. Question number 2. The physical parts of a computer that you can see and touch are known as A. Software, B. Programs, C. Hardware, D. Application. Physical parts that you can see and touch are known as hardware. A set of instructions that tells the computer hardware what to do is called software. What is the most commonly used standard input device for typing text? A. Mouse, B. Keyboard, C. Scanner, D. Microphone. The answer will be B. Keyboard. On a keyboard, which special key toggles the numeric keypad between entering numbers and moving the cursor? A. Caps lock, B. Num lock, C. Scroll lock, D. Shift. The answer will be B. Question number 6. Which keyboard key typically deletes characters to the left of the cursor? A. Delete, B. Backspace, C. Enter, D. Shift. The answer will be B. Backspace typically deletes characters to the left of the cursor. Question number 7. What common pointing device controls the movement of the cursor on a monitor? A. Joystick, B. Mouse, C. Trackball, D. Light pen. The answer will be B. Mouse. Question number 8. What is the mouse operation called when you press the button twice quickly? A. Click, B. Double click, C. Drag, D. Drop. The answer will be B. Double click. Question number 9. A computer peripheral used for reading barcodes is called A. OCR, B. Barcode reader, C. MICR, D. Scanner. The answer will be B. Barcode reader. Question number 10. Which technology is used to recognize typewritten and or handwritten characters? A. BCR, B. Optical character reader, C. MICR scanner. The answer will be B. Optical character, as you can see on the screen. Question number 11. Which character recognition technology is mainly used by the banking industry to process checks? A. OMR, B. OCR, C. MICR, D. BCR. The answer will be MICR. Question number 12. Which pointing device is often used for playing games and has a vertical handle? A. Mouse, B. Joystick, C. Trackpad, D. Light pen. The answer will be B. Joystick, used for playing games and has a vertical handle. Question number 13. What input device used to enter sound or voice data into a computer? A. Speaker, B. Microphone, C. Earphones, D. Scanner. The answer will be B. Question number 14. What type of screen can both display information and receive input from the user's touch? A. Monitor, B. Touch screen, C. Video, D. Plotter. The answer will be B, touch screen. 15. What is often called the brain of the computer? A, RAM, B, CPU or central processing unit, C, hard disk, D, motherboard. The answer will be B, CPU. Question number 16. Which part of the CPU performs arithmetic and logical operations? A, control unit, B, arithmetic logic unit, C, memory unit, D, cache. The answer will be B. Question number 17. Which part of the CPU extracts instructions from memory and decodes and executes them? A, control unit, B, arithmetic logic unit, C, memory unit, D, register. Control unit extracts instructions from memory and decodes and executes them. Question number 18. The small high-speed memory units inside the CPU used for temporary storage are called register. What is the name of the internal pathway used to transfer data between CPU components? A, port, B, bus, C, cable, D, wire. The answer will be bus. Question number 20. What does RAM stand for? A, read and memory, B, random access memory, C, read access memory, D, random alternative memory. The answer will be B, random access memory. Question number 21. The data in random access memory is A, permanently stored, B, temporary and volatile, C, read only, D, non-volatile. The answer will be temporary and volatile. What does RAM stand for? A, read only memory, B, random only memory, C, read output memory, D, random output memory. The answer will be A, read only memory. Question number 23. The data in random only memory is A, temporary, B, permanent and non-volatile, C, easily changed by the user, D, volatile. The answer will be B, permanent and non-volatile. Question number 24. What type of memory is also called auxiliary or backup storage? A, primary memory, B, secondary memory, C, random access memory, D, read-only memory. The answer will be secondary memory. Question number 25. What type of storage device uses rapidly rotating magnetic platters? A, SSD, B, hard disk, C, USB drive, D, CD, random only read-only memory. So the answer is B, hard disk. Which of these is an optical storage device? A, floppy disk, B, hard disk, C, compact disk, D, USB drive. The answer will be compact disk. Question number 27. What does CD, read-only memory, stands for? The answer will be compact disk read-only memory. Question number 28. Which type of compact disk can be written to multiple times? A, compact disk read-only memory, B, compact disk R, C, compact disk rewrite, D, DVD. The answer will be C, Question number 29. Which optical disc can store an entire movie? A. CDR. B. DVD or digital versatile disk. C. CD read-only memory. D. floppy disk. The answer will be B. Question number 30. What is the common name for a highly portable storage device that uses flash memory? A. Hard drive. B. USB flash drive. C. Floppy disk. D. Memory card. The answer will be B. Question number 31. What is the most common output device for displaying text and graphics? A. Printer. B. Monitor. C. Speaker. D. Plotter. The answer will be B. Monitor. Question number 32. A paper copy of data from a computer is called A. Soft copy. B. Hard copy. The answer would be hard copy. Question number 33. What output device produces a hard copy? Printer. Question number 34. Which output device uses pens to produce high quality color graphics and is ideal for engineering? A. Inkjet printer. B. Laser printer. C. Plotter. D. Dot matrix printer. The answer will be C. What output device allows you to hear sound from your computer? A. Microphone. B. Speaker. C. Headphones. D. Monitor. The answer will be speaker. Question number 36. What are the two main classifications of computer software? A. System and utility. B. System and application. C. Application and utility. D. Operating and application. The answer will be system and application. What is the main program that manages the hardware and software resources of a computer? A. Device driver. B. Operating system. C. Utility software. D. Application software. The answer would be operating system. Question number 38. Which software acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware? A. Word processor. B. Operating system. C. Web browser. D. Device driver. The answer will be B. Operating system. Question number 39. Which function of the operating system controls the allocation of random access memory? A. File management. B. Memory management. C. Process scheduling. D. I/O management. The answer would be memory management. Question number 40. What type of system software allows the operating system to communicate with a hardware device? A. Device driver. B. Utility software. C. Application software. D. Operating system. The answer will be A. Device driver. Question number 41. What type of software is used to support, enhance, or expand existing programs? A. Application software. B. Utility software. C. System software. D. Device driver. The answer will be B. Utility software. Question number 42. Antivirus software is an example of what? Application software. B. Utility software. C. Operating system. D. Device driver. The answer will be B. Utility software. Question number 43. Software used for word processing and spreadsheets falls under which category? A. Productivity software. B. Entertainment software. C. System software. D. Reference software. The answer will be A. Productivity software. Question number 44. Encyclopedia and dictionary software are examples of what? A. Productivity software. B. Education or reference software. C. Entertainment software. D. System software. The answer will be B. Question number 45. Computer games are a type of what software? A. Productivity software. B. System software. C. Entertainment software. D. Reference software. The answer will be C. Entertainment software. Question number 46. Which key is used to give a new line or execute a command? A. Spacebar. B. Enter. C. Tab. D. Shift. The answer will be B. Enter. Which part of the CPU stores intermediate results of the ALU? A. Control unit. B. Memory unit. C. Registers. D. Cache. The answer will be B. Memory unit. Question number 48. Which type of memory is directly accessed by the CPU for reading or storing information? A. Primary memory. B. Secondary memory. C. Flash memory. D. Optical memory. The answer will be A. Primary memory. Question number 49. What is the primary function of the CPU's control unit? A. Perform calculations. B. Fetch, decode, and execute instructions. C. Store data permanently. D. Display output. The answer will be B. Question number 50 and the last question. What is the main purpose of application software? A. Manage computer hardware. B. Help the end user perform specific tasks. C. Control memory allocation. D. Facilitate networking. The answer will be B. Help the end user perform specific tasks.